Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So as promised, okay, we are going to continue with the tax relief for resident individual. Alright, so this is the tax relief, okay, for the year assessment 2020. Okay, so let's have a look at the items, okay, one by one. Okay, number one, okay, individual relief types. So all individual or taxpayers in Malaysia are eligible to claim the tax relief, so which is the pengecualian cukai. Okay, number one for the individual, okay, or dependent relative. Okay, so the amount given for this category is 9,000 ringgit. Okay, so for the individual, okay, so the taxpayer can claim the tax relief sebanyak 9,000 ringgit. Okay, and then number two, medical treatment or special needs and care expenses for parents. So we can see that the category number two, item number two ni is for parents. Okay, parents. Okay, so if either the taxpayer has spent for the medical treatment or special needs or care expenses for parents, okay, so the taxpayer can claim the tax relief, okay, for 5,000 ringgit limited or restricted, maximum lah tu. Okay, or kalau tulis kat sini or, so maksudnya the taxpayer can only claim either one. Okay, either nak claim the medical expenses for parents, if any. Kalau tak ada medical expenses for parents, okay, so the taxpayer can claim for the parents. Okay, so parent ni mean to say here, as long as the taxpayer has mother and father, so he or she can claim the tax relief 1,500 for only one mother, 1,500 for only one father. So total here is ni 3,000 ringgit. So boleh claim either one, tak boleh claim both of them serentak. Okay. Next is basic supporting equipment for disabled self, spouse, children, child or parent. So 6,000 restricted or maximum. So basic supporting equipment ni such as the taxpayer purchase the wheelchair. Okay, so can claim the tax relief for 6,000 ringgit maximum. Alright, next number 4, disabled individual, okay, will get additional tax relief for 6,000 ringgit. So this one is additional. Okay, additional. Okay, meaning to say here just now, okay, the individual will get 9,000 ringgit. So if the taxpayer is the disabled individual, so he or she will get additional 6,000, so which is altogether 15,000 ringgit for individual or disabled individual. Okay, next item number 5 is education fees. Okay, so please take note that the education fees is only applicable for self, okay, not for child. Okay, so for what program? So the other than degree at master's or doctorate level, course of study in law, accounting, Islamic financing, technical, vocational, industrial, scientific or technology. Okay, or number 2, degree at master's or doctorate level. So any course of study. So the amount given is 7,000 ringgit, limited or maximum ataupun restricted. Next, item number 6, medical expenses for serious disease. Okay, serious disease for self, spouse or child. So serious disease ni such as okay, cancer or apa tu, heart disease ataupun kidney problem. Okay, something like that lah. Okay, there's serious disease. Okay, so the amount, the maximum, they combine with the item number 7 and then number 8. So maximum 6,000 ringgit is allowable for this category. So kalau tak ada serious disease, boleh juga if the taxpayer ada the expenses for fertility treatment for self or spouse, boleh juga. Or the taxpayer has a complete medical examination for self, spouse or child. So ini macam medical check-up. So but this one is only restricted to 500 ringgit. Okay. Next, category number 9 is the lifestyle. Okay, lifestyle. Okay, the amount given is 2,500 ringgit restricted. So Jom kita tengok apa item-item yang allowable under lifestyle. So number 1, if the taxpayer has purchase of books, journals, magazine, printed newspapers, and other similar publications. Okay, and then number 2, purchase of personal computer, smartphone or tablet. Okay, but then this one is not for business use. And then number 3, purchase of sports equipment for sports activity. Okay, and payment for gym membership. Okay, sports equipment ni macam apa ni, tennis racket ataupun dia ada beli the treadmill. Okay, so boleh claim. But then all together for this category, okay, is 2,500 ringgit. Okay, and then yang ni tertinggal satu lagi, the payment of monthly bill for internet subscription. So ini pun dapat juga but then this one is only for under own name. Alright. Okay, next, number 10, lifestyle. So this one is actually the additional. Okay, additional given untuk tahun 2020 saja. Okay, for the lifestyle, so purchase of personal computer, smartphone, tablet for self, spouse or child, not for business use. Okay, ini ingat tak yang waktu PKP start, PDPR kan? So ada parents yang terpaksa beli the personal computer, smartphone ataupun tablet untuk education anak-anak. So bolehlah claim 2,500 ringgit. Okay, limited ataupun restricted. So tengok kat sini note dia, additional deduction for purchase made within the period of 1st June 2020 up to 31st December 2020. Okay, so untuk yang waktu ni saja. So tambahan kepada yang inilah, yang tadi dia dah bagi dah yang ni kan, dia dah bagi dah yang purchase of personal computer bla bla ni sama kategori yang 2,500 ringgit. So yang ini tambahan dia lagi. Alright. Okay, next, item number 11, purchase of breastfeeding equipment for own use for a child aged 2 years and below. So the deduction allowed once in every 2 years. Okay, so kalau kata dah claim in 2018, 2019 cannot make a claim, and then can claim again in year 2020 if memang ada purchase the breastfeeding equipment. Okay, so this one is only for own use. So maksudnya ini hanyalah untuk woman taxpayer sahaja. Okay, this one is only for woman taxpayer. Okay, 1,000 restricted. Okay, next, number 12, childcare fees to a registered childcare centre or kindergarten for a child aged 6 years and below. So 3,000 restricted. And then number 13, net deposit in SSPN. Okay, this one is SSPN. So total deposits minus total withdrawal in year 2020. Okay, and then the amount given is 8,000 maximum ataupun restricted. Okay, next, number 14. Okay, husband, wife or payment of alimony to former wife. So this one is for the joint assessment. Okay, this one is for joint assessment. Joint assessment ni, so kalau dia buat, dia combine dia punya income, husband and wife. Alright, dalam satu tax relief atau tax return, and then if the name of the taxpayer tu is a husband, so dia ada menanggung wife, so dia boleh minta lah, so boleh claim the tax relief ataupun pengecualian cukai untuk wife ataupun the payment of alimony to former wife. Okay, alimony ni nafkah lah yang diberikan kepada isteri dan anak-anak. Okay, so 4,000 restricted. Okay, and then for the disabled husband ataupun wife yang ditanggung tu, so dapat lagi additional. So this one is additional. Okay, additional 3,500 ringgit. Okay, and then number 16, each unmarried child and under the age of 18 years old. So this one is for the ordinary child. Okay, anak yang biasa yang masih lagi bersekolah ataupun masih lagi belajar, so 2,000 ringgit. And then number 17, each unmarried child. Okay, dia mesti ada perkataan unmarried. Kalau married tu dia dah kira tak salah. So maksudnya dia kena buat dengan husband and wife pula. Okay, okay, so tanggungan ni pada yang unmarried child. So number 17, unmarried child of 18 years and above who is receiving full-time education. Okay, full-time education such as A-level, certificate, matriculation or preparatory courses. So this one is 2,000 ringgit. Sama juga macam yang ordinary child kat atas ni kan. Okay, yang lain sikit, number 18. Number 18 ni, kategori you all lah ni. Okay, each unmarried child 18 years and above that receiving further education in Malaysia in respect of an award of diploma or higher. Okay, so qualification dia kena diploma dan ke atas. Kalau kata matric ataupun sijil, matriculation preparatory courses, yang ni yang dapat yang RM2,000 yang atas ni tadi kan. Yang ni, RM2,000 yang ni. So kalau diploma, degree ataupun masters ataupun doctorate, so the parents can claim up to RM8,000 dengan syarat anak tu masih lagi belum berkahwin, unmarried. Next, for the disabled child, disabled child is RM6,000. Tak kira lah umur berapa pun, tapi additional dia bagi kat sini, additional exemption of RM8,000, disabled child 18 years old and above, not married and then pursuing diploma or above qualification. So kalau kata tadi disabled tapi dia tengah belajar, 18 years old, tengah buat contohlah tengah sambung diploma in accountancy in UiTM Terengganu, so dapat lagi 6,000 plus 8,000, so altogether 14,000 lah. So for the disabled child. Next, number 20, life insurance and EPF including not through salary deduction 7,000 restricted, tapi ini dia ada bagi condition dia. So for the pensionable public servant ataupun government servant, yang dah opt for pension scheme hanya boleh claim for the life insurance premium saja. Up to berapa? Boleh sampai up to RM7,000. But other than pensionable public servant category, dia ada pecahan dia. So other than pensionable public servant can claim the life insurance maximum up to RM3,000 and then EPF up to RM4,000. So kalau ditambah dua ni pun memang RM7,000. Alright? Next, number 21, deferred annuity or PRS, private retirement scheme with effect from year assessment 2012 up to 2021. So RM3,000. And then education and medical insurance, RM3,000. And then contribution to SOCSO $250. And then number 24, payment for accommodation. So ini pun additional special untuk year 2020. Additional. Ini untuk year 2020 saja. Sebab apa? Payment for accommodation at premises registered with Commissioner of Tourism and entrance fee to a tourist attraction. So yang ni yang lepas COVID apa semua tu PKP, so untuk nak encourage people untuk pergi berjalan dan kembangkan ekonomi. So siapa yang ada stay at hotel apa semua, so akan dapat tax relief ataupun pengecualian cukai sebanyak RM1,000 dengan syarat accommodation expenses at premises registered with Ministry of Tourism. So you boleh check lah hotel yang you check in tu berdaftar ke tak dengan MOTAC ni, sebab ada yang tak berdaftar tak boleh claim. So that's all for the tax relief for the year 2020. So kalau kita tengok ada yang baru sikit yang tadilah, ada tambahan untuk lifestyle yang ni kan tadi, yang tambahan dia yang number 10 ni, lifestyle additional, and then dia ada tambahan dia lagi untuk yang ni. Yang ni additional for accommodation. Ada lagi tak apa-apa yang lain? Yang lain rasa nampak macam sama je dengan the previous year punya. So that's all for this video.